Hey, so how to publish podcast episodes on Substack? So you need to enable Substack for audio, so you need to enable podcasting in the Substack dashboard. So just go to settings and then in the bottom you will see podcasting like here. So enable podcasting, check that. And then to create new podcast episode, you can either upload mp3 audio or just record here. So just press record. Hello everyone, this is a test, and something like this, and then you will have your podcast on the Substack, and then you just tap publish. So again, it's not that you're uploading your existing podcast RSS feed from Spotify or from Apple Podcasts to Substack. You're creating your own podcast in Substack, so it's like audio newsletter. I think that's pretty fun. So yeah, that's about that.